Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore printing in macOS after driver updates. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To restore printing in macOS after a driver update, first open the Apple menu in the top left corner of your screen. Select System Preferences from the drop-down list. In the System Preferences window, click on Printers and Scanners. In the Printers and Scanners section, locate your printer in the list. If your printer is missing, click the plus sign at the bottom of the list to add it. When the Add Printer window opens, your printer should appear in the list. Select your printer and then check the Use drop-down menu. If your printer's driver is not automatically selected, choose the appropriate driver from the list. Click Add to confirm your selection. If your printer is already listed, click on it and then hit the minus sign to remove it. After removing it, click the plus sign again to add it back, following the previous steps. Once your printer is added, try printing a test page to ensure functionality. If you still encounter issues, visit the printer manufacturer's website to download the latest driver. Follow the installation instructions provided on their website. After installing the new driver, repeat the steps to add and configure your printer. Finally, restart your Mac to ensure all changes take effect properly. Your printing functionality should now be restored in macOS. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.